So this is another 24-hour demo, the Keystone 50 pint dehumidifier. Already been running it in the house for one day and pulled out a bucket. So we're gonna do this for another day, and it's just upstairs. It's where the laundry room is and showers and stuff, so clothes. It collects a lot of moisture up here. So let's turn this thing on. Put the fan on turbo. And point it towards the clothing. Air pumps out this way, so it'll circulate through the hallway. And let's see what it does. Okay, it's been about 24 hours. Go ahead and check this reservoir. Humidity levels at 40%. I did just take a shower and it went up from 36 to 40. Like I said, the laundry room, shower room. That's where we keep our clothes, dirty laundry. It stays pretty humid up here. But let's see what we got for 24 hours. As you can see, 24 hours in a house situation, there's not a lot of water. Let's go ahead and dump this out and see what it looks like. Oh, it's definitely at least 3 or 4 pounds worth. A little clogged. I'm gonna pull my hair out of it. As you can see, that was quite a bit of water. So normally people use these things in their basement, and it comes with a tube that you can connect here, and the other end you can either plumb that into your sewer or some kind of drainage, or if it's in a basement, it's usually like a floor drain or something, or in some places, and people will just leave the tube hanging out to drain into the drain, so it goes all day. But the nice thing about this one is it automatically shuts off when it reaches, when it's full. All right. That is the 24-hour house test for the Keystone 50 pint energy efficient dehumidifier. I'll leave a link in the description. You can go ahead and click that now if you wanted to check that out. Alright, we're going to do a twofer. So if you haven't already, you can check out day 1 of this video, but because this thing's still pulling out a heck of a lot of water after a day, we're going to go ahead and do 2 days. This will actually be, in reality, it'll be the 3rd day that I'm running this thing up here in a row. So, and it keeps pulling out a lot of water. So I'm going to keep this going until it starts pulling less and less water out, so I can show you how much water it pulls out over the course of however many days it takes to dry this place out a bit. One thing I can tell you right now is it does smell a lot better. It's not as musty. It doesn't smell like laundry in here anymore. So, this will be day 2 of our experiment. It's about 49%. This thing is very reactive. It seems to adjust whenever I walk in the room and I'm doing whatever in here, that number will go up, which makes sense because the humidity level's going up when I'm in here or when my dogs are in here. So we're at 48% right now. What I typically like to see is about 31%. If it's at 31%, then it feels nice and dry and a little less musty. So we'll run this for another 24 hours. Check it again tomorrow. See see where we're at. All right, welcome to the next day. Let's see where we're at. Down to 34%, that's pretty good. 24 hours later, still quite a freaking bit of water. Let's go and dump that. Pretty significant. I think we'll go ahead and run this for another day. Pulling out quite a bit of water. So, now that my dogs and I are up here, 36%. And I've been breathing really close to the sensor, I'm sure. Anyways, let's give it another day, see what happens. Alright, another 24 hours have gone by. Humidity level's down to 33%. That's pretty good. I'm gonna call that done. I think that took 3 or 4 days. And only about half full this time, so I'd say we're doing pretty good about getting most of the water out of here. So, let's go ahead and pour this out. Yeah, still quite a bit of water. So that's been your demonstration. This Energy Star 55 Keystone Dehumidifier. As you can see, it definitely works. So, I'll put a link down in the description that you can go ahead and click right now if you wanted to go check this thing out. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop that in the comment section. And if you want to see more of these videos, hit subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.